1. Handcuff your suspect with their hands in front of their body. There are some people that need to be handcuffed in front of their bodies. This list can include pregnant women and people with limited mobility in their arms. 2. Ask your suspect to press their hands together in a prayer position. This limits their mobility and gives you greater control. Hold their wrists together from the underside of their hands, close to their pinkies. If they begin to resist, you can hold their pinkies together and have greater control. 3. Press the bow of the handcuff against their right wrist and lock the cuff into place. Place the other cuff on the suspect quickly and accurately. Do this by grasping the suspect's wrists with your left hand and then removing your right hand. The suspect should have pressure on their wrists at all times. 4. Press the bow of the cuff against their left wrist and lock the cuff into place. The chain should be coming out from the hands and away from the body. If your cuffs have a double locking mechanism, now is the time to lock it.